Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Ashley at Hairventionz, and today I just wanted to show you guys how I created this look. I did the jumbo mumbo braids going to the side, a really quick protective style and cute and classy. I did see it on Flawless Brittany IG page and YouTube, and I thought it was a really cute hairstyle, and I just, she gave me the inspiration for me to do it on myself. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, keep watching. So the first things first is just part a lower layer in the back of your head. And as you can see here, I'm taking piece by piece, doing a feed and braid method, adding hair to my hair to create that thick braid that you have seen at the beginning of this video. The method I'm using here is add hair, braid, braid, add hair. I want to keep the pattern consistent so that the braid thickness can also be consistent. Now this part is totally optional to leave your baby hairs out. I just kind of like pulled them out and did like a straight part across my head to separate the baby hairs from the actual braid so that I can just be creative and just make my swoops as I like to. I am going to begin braiding my hair the same way. I take my natural hair and in 3 pieces and begin to braid, and after I do my braid, add hair, that's the method I will continue to use throughout. Except for, since this braid starts off very small, you want to be careful of the pieces you are choosing. You want to choose very small pieces so that the braid can start off small and then get bigger as it goes around the head. And as you continue to braid, be sure to grip really tightly because you are working with 2 different textures of hair. You are also creating a big braid, and big braids can look very unorganized or very frizzy if they're not pulled tightly from beginning to end. And make sure you add enough hair so that your hair doesn't stick out through the braid. Here are the results so far. Here's a little close-up of what I was explaining earlier when I say that I braid my hair first and then begin to add the hair. You always want to make sure you know the amount of hair you are starting with so that the hair that you're adding matches the hair thickness that you want to create with the braid. Now, here's the part where I slick down my baby edges. I use Eco Styler Gel because I like the way that it locks in that hold and I don't have to redo it every single day. It'll last a couple of days before I need to do it again. It works pretty well when I first have a natural style, a fresh style done. And then as the days progress, of course, I will wash it out and reapply. Hair mousse is an ultimate fave for smoothing down your hair and adding shine when you have extensions. Please, please get you some. This one also has sweet almond oil, which is great for moisturization of the hair. Last but not least, you want to dip those ends. You want to keep them all nice, neat, and together and not having the ability to unravel. So get some hot water and dip those in and dry with a towel and the style is complete.